Okay, I'm currently at Pueblo and Lincoln, and on Lincoln Road East, this is a area that's constantly doing illegal dumping. We've gotten to the point, basically from April, where we had a meeting with Chris, the CIO at the City of Vallejo, in regards to illegal dumping. Who's actually probably been patiently waiting for a proposal, but however, the development of the license plate recognition wasn't as tight that I was liking to be 100% accurate. That's what I had wanted, and I believe we have come to that point. So I'm going to be doing tests first, and then we're going to start putting the proposals together for the City of Vallejo. But right now, as we are here testing, you can basically see the camera, and we are capturing plates. Nighttime will be different. It may catch it at nighttime, but the camera itself will catch for the video. Let's see here, we got a car turning, and let me see if this will capture. Yes, it does capture. We come right over here, and it's a IDAP2025. So the one thing that I wanted to, for our purposes, was to make sure that we would capture the plate. So the fact that we're catching moving vehicles that are pretty much coming through here, some about 30, 35 we're catching the plates. Some are flying through here, which we were not catching the plates, but however, the main focal point is that we're looking for vehicles to stop and dump, and so which tells us that we will have no problem in capturing the license plate in this area. And we have another vehicle here coming, and let's see how it fares here. Well, we get that plate, as you see. It was for John Tom Paul 515. We were 100% accurate on that. And again, the concept of what we're basically looking at is not so much of putting any cameras on that pole. We want to triangulate. We want to put a camera here to shoot down as the vehicle pulls over there, as well as there's a pole down at that location. So we want to triangulate two cameras at this location, and one tracking PTZ camera I'm looking at. So let's go back over here as this car passes by. We went to sleep. So we got those results pretty well. Let me put this on pause. So as we capture the plates here, we are running recording software on two cameras as all these cars are coming through. So we have a car coming down the street there. We should be turning. One camera is the license plate recognition. The other camera is a regular camera. We simulate the PTZ, and we will have video that will go in there as well. So we'll be having snapshots. Now we have a dashboard. Turn this up. Details. So we have a dashboard, and basically these are all the vehicles that are passing through Lincoln and Pueblo. Those are all the ones. And if I want to get a better look of the car, I can do a full snapshot, get the plate every time. And then if we want to save it, we can download the image and get it as well. And that concludes the demo for this area. Lincoln Road illegal dump spot, that where all the main issues of illegal dumping has been happening underneath this bridge. You guys' current camera system, PTZ looking down, unable to capture the actual plate of the vehicles that are doing the illegal dumping. So what I've done basically is set up a couple of demo cameras. Both of these cameras are license plate capturable. The bottom one has the license plate software that's running on it, as well as I'm running both cameras with a software. So we have a couple of vehicles that have came through here. That's a 7 Charlie Robert or something. So I'm gonna go over here and see if it captured that plate as it came through, and it actually grabbed the one that was going the opposite way. I guess you say it's going in the westbound, more or less going westbound in the second lane. So that might have been a double hit while it was processing. The idea is to get the camera focused on one lane. We will check the actual video later. But the bottom one I caught coming through, that's 6 Lincoln Victor 853. That video clip will follow in this demo video that I'm doing. But continuing, from what we pretty much visualized, that what will happen is that we will have a license plate reading camera here on the pole, as well as a PTZ camera, as you guys have, which will be capturing the vehicles on the, I guess I want to say if this is the north side or west side. Actually, it's going to be the north side of the Spring Road Bridge. Then we would have another camera and PTZ that will not be on this pole because it's so close, but we would actually have it on the pole that is across the street. That pole right there would be the one that where the other license plate caption camera and PTZ would be, and then it would focus primarily on this main spot here where it's currently dumping material here. So as the vehicle comes up and dump, no matter if it comes from the north side under the bridge, then the license plate capturing camera will capture it. It'll be center line, and then as well as the license plate capturing camera and PTZ camera would be mounted on that pole. The PTZ camera would be focused in tight. It would be on an auto track, so as the movement is happening and they're moving around, the PTZ will literally be tracking the person. If they decided that they wanted to put the trash way up over here, then as long as there's motion going over inside this area, the PTZ would be capturing that. And then once the vehicle moves, then it will wind up capturing the plate and put it into the database. We may or may not try to come out here and do some nighttime testing based on the lighting. It may capture and put it into the database, but it'll be guaranteed that it will at least get the plate on the video if it does not make it into the database. and this so that we can see what's going on in the actual database. We have a vehicle here, so that one just came by. So I'm very happy that as I'm working this, that a vehicle came through and it captured the third plate while standing here. So that was 7 Paul Henry Boy 410. So what I will do is go to the database. I brought up the database, and so right here you will see Vallejo East Lincoln Road demo cam. The license plates are inside the plate number area. Is giving the color of the car, the make, but sometimes on the make of the car, unless the software is updated, it may have it incorrect. I found that, and so as to see what the vehicle and plate that has came through, as you can basically see, got that plate, it's come through. It says what camera caught it, and the time will be on the other. So let me go back and check the other one. Well, since I've been here talking, another vehicle had just came through. So let's see what this vehicle was that just came through a few seconds ago while I had my back turned. So we go to, and there we have the plate. And so, like I said, nighttime, I'll have some samples of what it does at night. If I'm able or was able to come back down here for the nighttime portion to see if it goes into the database, which I believe sometimes that it will. But it all depends on the lighting at the time, or how we pretty much set it. So that concludes this demo.